Hey, snack lovers! Today, we're bringing the theater snack experience home with our not restaurant-style popcorn chicken. Forget the generic stuff, we're making it better. I'm your QuirkyQuest, and I'm excited to guide you through this crispy and flavorful journey. Before we dive into the deliciousness, let's gather our ingredients. 250 g chicken breast. For marination. 1 teaspoon salt. 1.5 teaspoons garlic powder. 1 teaspoon onion powder. 1 tablespoon chopped parsley. 2 teaspoons chili flakes. Juice of 1 lemon. For coating. 1 whisked eggs. 1/2 cup refined flour. 1/2 cup cornstarch. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper. Oil for deep frying. To make the special sauce. 2 tablespoons butter. 1 tablespoon chopped garlic. 2 teaspoons oregano seasoning. 1.5 teaspoons Kashmiri chili powder. Juice of 1 lemon. 3/4 cup water. 2 tablespoons cornstarch slurry. Salt and pepper to taste. For garnishing. Grated Parmesan cheese. Cut the chicken into small cubes and transfer into a bowl. Add the rest of the ingredients for the marination, mix well and let it marinate for 20 minutes. While the chicken marinates, let's prepare the sauce. Heat butter in a pan and saute the garlic for 2 minutes on medium heat, then add the oregano seasoning and chili powder and fry for 2 minutes on low heat. Now add the lemon juice, water, season with salt and pepper and reduce for 1 minute. Next add the slurry and thicken the sauce, finish with some chopped parsley and remove from the heat. Back to the chicken, add the whisked egg to the marinated chicken and mix well. In another bowl mix in the flours for the coating and coat the chicken pieces in the flour. Heat oil in a kadai, wok, and fry the chicken on medium-high heat till golden and crispy. Drain it off and transfer this to a bowl and pour in a generous amount of the sauce. Toss well and serve immediately. Garnish with some grated Parmesan cheese and serve. And there you have it. Your homemade popcorn chicken, a crunchy delight that beats any restaurant-style version. If you're ready to take your snacking game up a notch, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tasty recipes. Enjoy this crispy, homemade goodness, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy snacking!